The CX-5 provides more protection for you and your passengers than ever. The available 360-degree view monitor uses 4 cameras to show the car's periphery on your display to put you at ease behind the wheel. The CX-5 comes standard with powerful i-Activsense advanced safety technologies, rear cross-traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring alert you with visual and auditory cues when a vehicle is approaching. With the available active driving display with traffic sign recognition, you see speed and safety system warnings, and when equipped, turn-by-turn commands from the navigation system. Advanced Smart City Brake support helps detect vehicles and pedestrians in your path, even at night, and apply the brakes if necessary. The Lane Departure Warning System detects and alerts when your vehicle is about to unintentionally depart from its lane, while the Lane Keep Assist helps keep you centered in your lane by performing minor steering corrections upon sensing an unintentional lane departure. Mazda Radar Cruise Control with stop-and-go function eliminates the need to manually adjust your speed based on traffic. And the CX-5's body architecture resists and absorbs impact energy to reduce the possibilities of injury in the event of an accident.